Good morning, you guys. I am currently at the grocery store getting some stuff for the week, so I'm gonna head to like the milk aisle and see what I can find. Popping in here to say hello. I kind of want to try this. I don't know how I feel, but I think I might grab it. I finally have mush at my local grocery store. I'm so excited. I love this chocolate flavor. It's so good. Okay, so part of the reason why I went to the grocery store so early this morning is because we had like no food for breakfast. And I want to try this French toast, the protein French toast recipe from Amélie Dessy. I think is how you pronounce her last name. I don't know. But anyways, I got all the ingredients for it, so I'm going to try it out. So basically it's just bread, egg whites, cinnamon, vanilla, and I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla paste to it just to make the vanilla flavor more pronounced. She used keto bread in hers, but I don't see any at my local grocery store, so I'm just using regular Country Harvest protein bread. So we're gonna try it out. I'm notoriously a person who doesn't really like French toast, to be honest, because I don't like eggs like at all, but I'm gonna try it and see how it goes. I think in her recipe she said it was 3 tablespoons of egg whites per slice, so I'm gonna do about, I think I'm gonna do 2 slices. So I did about 6 because I'm doing 2 pieces of toast, 3 each. I'm using half, so math. And then I'm gonna do some cinnamon and some vanilla. And I'm gonna do some vanilla. I'm running out of this. She doesn't use butter, but I'm gonna do that just for some extra flavor. I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon on top. I also added some strawberries on top, and I'm just gonna put some regular syrup. Hopefully this tastes good, because that'd be unfortunate if it doesn't. It's not bad. Yay! New breakfast option. So I'm gonna eat this and watch Amélie's new vlog. After that, I think I'm going to do the dishes and clean the kitchen up a little bit, and then I'm gonna make my coffee. Because also another reason why I went to the grocery store so early is that I've been making it a point to eat breakfast before I have any caffeine, and I've been doing that for the last probably like month or so, and I felt so much better. Maybe I'll talk about it later on in a video, maybe when I'm doing my makeup, but eating before consuming any caffeine or coffee or anything has made me feel 10 times better. So that's why I'm making sure to get a good breakfast in before I have any lattes or coffees or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this, do the dishes, we'll make my first coffee with the morning.
Do you have the blue jeans in stock? So we came, and then I'll just like reorder them or something. But like I've just been really trying to do what I can. Obsessed with them that I did in fact buy the.
Okay, so it's a little bit later. I just finished reading and journaling for the morning, but I want to quickly show you a bit of my skincare routine because it has changed a little bit. I got a few new products that I wanted to show you. The first one being my moisturizer. So I'm using the Aveeno Calm and Restore Oat Cleanser. I really like this one, especially because this doesn't have any soy in it, which is kind of surprising to me because I feel like most of Aveeno products do have soy, but this one doesn't. And if you didn't know, I'm actually allergic to soy, so I tend to avoid it in all of my beauty products. But I've been using this for the last few weeks, and I do feel like my skin is a lot clearer than it was a few weeks ago. So I've been using this as my cleanser. For moisturizer for the morning, I've switched to more of something a little bit lighter. So I'm using the Garnier Skincare Moisture Rescue Refreshing Gel Cream. This is for dry skin. It's in the little pink container. I actually have used this before. I used this many years ago. I think I posted a video about it, but I don't think it's on my channel anymore. But I really like this one. It's very moisturizing and it's good for like the summertime and more of like a lighter moisturizer. I still use my Nivea one, but I just use that at nighttime. And then another product that I've been using recently, you've probably seen it, it's very popular, it's the Claudelay serum, the Veni Perfect serum. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I mainly got this because I was on a trip recently, and where I was at, the price was significantly cheaper than how it is in Canada. In Canada, for this bottle, it's like $110, which is a little insane. But since then, I've heard that there's a lot of good dupes. One of them being the Bioma, I think like skin brightening or some sort of oil. I cannot remember the name, but it's like a dupe to this one, and apparently it's just as good and for a fraction of the price. So I'm not sure if I'm going to repurchase this, but so far I do really like it. I think it is working well for my skin. Last product that I wanted to show you is like my sunscreen. I've been using the Neutrogena Clear Face Sunscreen in 50 SPF just because it's summertime. Definitely need it. I like it. It works really well. It leaves no white cast and it's pretty moisturizing. So those are my skincare products. I'm going to go ahead, do my skincare, and then I'm going to throw you guys on the charger because my camera is dying a little bit, and then I'll pick you guys back up when I'm doing like my skincare routine for the summer, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so I just finished my skincare routine and showering and stuff. I'm gonna charge this camera. I know I said I was gonna film my summer makeup routine, but I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow when I have more time because we have to kind of get this day started. So we'll do that tomorrow. But in the meantime, I'm gonna charge you guys, get ready, and then I'll pick you guys back up when I'm about to leave to run my errands. Okay, I'm finally ready and all dressed and did my makeup, outfit. Nothing major, but I have to go run a quick errand. I have to go to Staples, and then I want to go to Sobeys because I've been craving ice cream the last few days, probably because I'm almost on my cycle. But anyways, but yeah, I'm gonna see if they have the flavor that I usually get, and if they don't have ice cream, maybe they might have like a slice of cake or something. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna head out and go run this quick little errand. So let's go. Okay, I'm in Staples now. Hopefully you can hear me. But I did my errand and now I'm in the pen section because there's these pens that I used the other day that were actually really good. And I think I found them. So I didn't end up getting the pens because they were literally $8. And you know what? Thank God for that, because the next day I went to Walmart and they were $3. So there you go. So it looks like they discontinued my favorite flavor, which is so upsetting. But I'm gonna try a different one, which is basically the same thing. So let's try this new one. Okay, I'm finally back home from my errands. I ended up getting what I needed to get done, and then I stopped off at Sobeys to grab some ice cream. They didn't have the one that I was actually looking for. I think it might be discontinued, which is so upsetting. Honestly, every time I like anything, they discontinue it. It's so annoying. But anyways, I got a similar flavor, which is pretty much the same thing. This is the Haagen-Dazs Extras. This is the chocolate caramel brownie. It looks like this. I usually get the salted caramel brownie. It's like in a blue, like tealish container. But yeah, I think it's discontinued. Anyways, I just had lunch. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but I just had lunch. And now I'm going to have a little bit of my ice cream, and I'm gonna watch the Astro World documentary that came out on Netflix a little while ago, because I'm still trying to get caught up on some of my like subscriptions and videos and stuff. After that, I'm gonna do a little bit of admin. I need to practice some piano as well because I have piano lesson today at 7. So I have to do some practicing, and then I also have to do some music theory. So yeah, a little bit of things to do, but so far we are making progress on our to-do list. So yeah, let's watch this and have a little bit of ice cream.
High schooler in Houston, they're talking about this concert.
I never thought that.
She was so. That's the story of Camille that we spray painted on wall.
So like I was day one, he walks into the bookings, and so you have read
Good. Using that breathing. Amazing work. Remember, it's circles, not squares. Amazing. Keeping it up as high as you feel you can. You're nearly there now. Hold 10, 9, 8, even higher, 7. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release. 2, 3.